Hi Sudevi, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi Pallavi. I'm doing well in life. Tell me.
Great. So, first, can you introduce yourself? What is your name, full name, age, profession, from where you belong, and what you were looking for exactly when you enrolled in the program?
Okay, so my full name is Sudevi Khanra, and I'm based out of Kolkata. I'm a Bengali, and I am working as a quality analyst currently with TCS. And I enrolled into this healthy weight loss program because I was overweight and I was having various health issues because of which I gained extra weight. So I thought, actually I was looking for some ways or some means by which I could get rid of my extra weight, so that this will help me stay fit, and I also wanted to tackle my health issues as well. So
Oh,
that's
great,
why I enrolled.
great. So exactly what were the health issues which you were facing, and for how long?
See, actually I am a patient of, actually I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, because of which I had to take lots of antidepressants. And the side effect was with those medicines was my thyroid and my PCOD was detected in the year 2019, around July or August time. So since then I went to see a gynecologist, and he suggested me with medicine and like a few healthy diet kind of thing, wherein there was a long menu in which he told me that since you have thyroid, so you are not supposed to take all these vegetables. So I actually like those vegetables, and I was asked to not take those vegetables. Like I was asked not to eat much of paneer and all. So I am very fond of paneer. So those things my doctor told me. So I followed it. I took the medicines also of both PCOD and thyroid, but somehow I was not seeing results. So every second month or third month, I used to visit my doctor. I used to see the same result. There was not much difference, and my weight shooted around almost 78 kilos. So I was 78 kg heavy, and I had a big fat belly, and I had a lot of extra fat on my thighs and everything. Like my waist size, it got changed from 30 31 to 34. So even 34 used to be very tight for me. So I used to think like, what happened suddenly? I was so slim trim earlier, and suddenly this thing has happened. Even my old clothes, I was not fitting into those. So I had to change my whole wardrobe. So I'll go from medium size, I went directly to XL. And XL also, I was like, I was thinking, oh, this is fitting me. Like it is still showing my belly fat and everything. So I'll go for double XL, these kind of things. So I'll feel loose and comfortable in those kind of dresses. So I stopped wearing all the short dresses just to avoid any um, like it doesn't look used to look good on me. I used to look so bulky, like a teddy bear kind of thing I was looking. So, and then the pandemic started in 2020 March. So after that, the doctor visit became a bit less frequent, but still I was not able to do any justice with my weight or neither my health issues with the medication which was going on. So I was hunting rigorously and vigorously, uh, if I could try something out with some some sort of dieting or some sort of exercises with which I could lose my weight.
Okay, great, great. For how long have you been in the program, and exactly how many kgs you lost?
So I started my program in the month of June itself, last year, 2020. And okay, so yeah, it went till September. And by September, like before our puja started in Kolkata, before that I was into my healthy BMI, and I lost around if I count from 78. When I started the program, I started that time my weight was 76. Somehow I lost 2 kgs by doing some exercises or something like that. So I lost around 15 kgs in that duration.
Great, great. That's a great progress actually. And were you able to eat your favorite food during the diet program?
Of course, like I could have it every day.
Okay, that's great to hear. So those paneer and all, which were actually, not recommended for you initially, were there any problem when you consumed it?
No, I didn't face any problem. When I used to have it anyway, I used to enjoy it a lot. And I have never faced any problem because of that, neither any shoot up in my thyroid or any health related problem. So it was like very normal. In fact, after the weight loss program, like once I was done with my weight loss, I went to the doctor and I checked with all my reports and everything. So my reports were also normal. In fact, my thyroid got reversed, and my PCOD thing was also in like optimum level. Like it was not like as it was earlier. And the doctor was surprised to see me see this big change, especially with my weight thing. So he used to give me all the medicines and everything to lose weight. He used to suggest me some yoga poses and so many things he used to suggest me. He used to ask me eat less of chicken, fish and all these things. You try to eat more of veggies, but don't eat more fat and protein, so that you could lose your weight easily. You should not consume chicken, like you can have it once in a month, that kind of thing he told me. But when he saw that kind of tremendous change in my figure and everything, so he was highly surprised, and he was very much impressed, and he said, you have actually did justice to your body now, like your health condition has improved, plus you are now looking also, you are slim, like as it looks like as you have your return to your previous state.
Great, great. It's really great to see that along with your weight loss, you have become much more healthier and you have reversed your medical conditions like thyroid, PCOS, and it's really something great to achieve. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Since you have been a beneficiary of this healthy weight loss program, what will be your message for the people who are actually struggling with weight and various health issues?
See, the message would be like this. See, it's the decision is always ours. Okay, whenever we face some health issue, or let's say we are overweight, okay, we know that fact that somehow our body is unhealthy, because of which we have gained that extra fat and weight. And despite knowing that particular thing, if we don't do anything about it, then it is something which I personally don't admire. Like if I know this thing is in my hand, so I should do something about it. So my message would be this thing: if you think that you are overweight and you the great help which you could do to your body is you should take an initiative to do something to tackle that issue, so that you get fit and you get healthy again for lifetime.
Great message. It will inspire a lot of people actually. And last question, but not the least actually. So it have been a few months since you have completed your weight loss journey, right? So after that, is there any rebound? Have you gained back any kgs, or is it the same?
See, if I talk about rebound, there is zero rebound. Okay, it's same throughout. Like since September, I am maintaining my same weight scale. In fact, when I went through the maintenance program, and after that, right now I am eating my normal food everything. I can have almost everything. There is no restriction. I'm having my all sorts of food. Okay, be it any fast food related thing, any food I'm having, and I'm doing exercise and almost everything. So the rebound is zero, and the thing is, I feel more better after the program, like more energetic and everything. So I used to think, if during the program, if I'll just leave this particular program, then what will happen, whether I'll gain back or not. I had this question a lot of time in my mind, and I used to chase my coach also for the same. But somehow now I am so satisfied, because it will be almost a year in next coming 2 months, right? I stopped my program. I was done with my program in the month of September itself. So in coming September, like after 2-3 months, again the 1 year will be completed. So if I am still the same, I don't think so there will be a rebound for sure.
Great. Thank you, Sudevi. Your interview will actually give hope to a lot of people, because many people actually struggle with a lot of issues and weight loss, but they face a lot of challenges like you. Okay, so it will give a lot of hope to them. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.
Okay, bye bye.